I'm here with a fix and flip and a development opportunity my wife and I are going to be tackling in the town of Randolph, Massachusetts. And I call this one the junkyard, folks. And here's why.
Trash, trash, and more trash. Check out that mattress. Tons of dirt bikes. Gotta love it. Abandoned car, refrigerator, basketball hoop, freezer, airplane. Nah, just kidding. That's an old piece of a boat. This thing's crazy. Look at the dump, guys. I almost tripped over that. And just the vastness of the land. More trash, tires, and hey, there's a motorcycle. Want a bike? Tons of land back here. It's a shame we can only do one. And then goes your New England lobster traps. Want some lobster? Here's a microwave to cook them. Initially, the plan was to fix and flip the house in the front, subdivide the land, and develop 2 new construction homes in the back. But we found out we can only build 1 home in the back.
Let's check out the inside.
And the junkyard made its way inside, folks. On the first floor, we have a living room, formal dining area, master suite tucked away in the back with a master bath. We also have a full kitchen and half bath tucked away in the corner.
Let's check out the second floor.
Let's see what the queen thinks.
I named this one the junkyard. What do you think about that name?
Oh my God, it's just so much structure right now that I need to just figure out what I'm gonna do. It's a lot of work.
What's your vision for this one?
When everything gets cleaned out, everything they're gonna have very efficient. The way they try to flip it, just, oh God. I want to show you something, guys.
Take care.
It's not the same level.
Attention to detail.
Look at that door. It's all crooked. Look at this. Oh, and let me show you this. See how the wood is fixed.
Let a kid come running down here and boom.
On the second floor, we have a full laundry closet, double vanity in the full bathroom, bedroom number 1. Did it leave me a pair of Jordans in the closet here? Let me check it out. Nah, no Jordans. On to the next one. That's where the chimney was. And party time, baby, in that bedroom. Nothing but empty drink bottles. And bedroom number 3. Who knows what they were doing with that vanity setup. Visit rlncompanies.com to see how we can help you get in the game.